Well, howdy. Coming live from Dayton, Ohio, Christmas Day. About 33 degrees outside with a light ground covering of snow. Just a dusting, nothing major. Shouldn't cause no trouble at all. Anyhow, went to Cabelas a few days ago, picked up a new toy, the new Hero GoPro 5. Wanted something a little better than my SJ Cam 4000. Not that it did bad video at all, just wanted something a little better. This camera is supposed to do 4K video. Going to do an unboxing for you, show you what's in the box, tell you a little bit about the camera. So let's get at it. As soon as I get it out of the box, it's tight fitting, a little snug. Anyhow, it comes right out. The camera says it'll do 4K video. Not sure if my computer will support 4K or not. Don't know. But anyhow, the camera is about the same size as my SJ Cam 4000. However, I gave that action camera to a buddy of mine so he could get a different angle of viewing and recording when we go out mud riding. Bought this little toy down at Cabelas, like I said. Found it on sale. It's going to be mounted to underneath the bill of my helmet. I have watched some other videos on where they place GoPros on their helmets. One gentleman had it on top. I didn't like that because due to branches, I thought it would damage the camera. If you mount it to the side of the helmet, you're only getting half of the angle of the viewing. So I didn't quite like that either. So I chose to go with under the bill on my old camera, and that's where this camera will be going. If you haven't, like and subscribe to my channel. My channel's name is Rob Sanders, which is my name. Anyhow, check it out, give it a thumbs up, do a comment if you would like. Anyhow, that's it. Just wanted to share a new little product that I just got, and watch for the videos. Thank you, and Merry Christmas.